Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2001 Ford Focus and I want to show you how to do an ignition coil. It's going to be a very easy job. I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need this or any other part, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, so one of the first things that we want to do is we want to try to compare the two of these together. Obviously this one's still in the vehicle. It's a little hard to see everything completely, but we can at least eyeball it and make sure we're dealing with the same beast. We've got 4 wires, 4 posts. We have our electrical connector. We have the areas for mounting. There's 4 ears on that one, 4 ears on this one. I would say we're looking all right. Let's start taking this one out. Now before you just start ripping wires off this thing and throwing them aside, you want to mark them. On the coil itself, it has numbers. 1, 3, 2, 4. The old coil has the same numbers. So all we're going to do, whatever the number corresponds on the coil, we're going to write it on the wire. You can use some kind of permanent marker. You can draw it wherever you want. I'm just going to do one line on that one. This is number 4. You guessed it. I'm going to do 4 lines. Just like that. Okay? 2. Do 2. And the last one's 3. Do we need to do it? Probably not, but why not? Okay, those are marked very clearly. Now we're clear to remove those. You just grab it, wiggle it, lift. There you go. Check your wire. Make sure you don't see any funny colors in there. You don't want any rainbow colors or rust or debris really in there. This one looks good. Feels like it's still intact. We'll set it aside. We'll keep moving. Grab number 4 here, take a peek, looks good. We'll do the same for all of them. We're going to use our Torx bit 25. That's what it looks like a star. We're going to remove these 2 bolts. There's one right here. Use my little magnet, see if I can grab onto it. That's what it looks like. We'll set that aside. Get ready to do our last one. It's diagonal. Grab my magnet. If I can get it down in there. It's bolt number 2. Easy peasy. We can grab our coil. Now we have a clear view of what's going on. So right here's a little clip. You're just going to push it like that. Grab it, separate it. We'll look right in here. If you see any funny colors, rainbow colors are bad in electrical circuits. I mean, obviously you see blue and red there, but disregard that. I'm talking about the metal connectors there, obviously. So that looks good. We'll set this aside, and now we can do a product comparison. So here we are, friends, a quick product comparison for you. Over here we have our original coil out of our 2001 Ford Focus. We just removed it. It was very easy. Over here we have our brand new quality 1A Auto part. We can match them right up. We've got 4 posts, 4 posts. Sticker tells you where everything goes. That's always nice. It's on the original one as well. Over here we have our electrical connector. As you can tell, they look the exact same. Looking from the bottom, you've got 4 posts or 4 areas that you can put your bolt through. Those look the same. Everything's the exact same. With all that said, I don't see any reason why this wouldn't be a great part to install into this vehicle, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. If you need this or any other part, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, so I just dropped the screws in. Now we're just going to take our unit. We're going to bring it down. We're going to line up the holes with the studs that are on the plate. Should have it sitting in there nice. We'll take our Torx bit. We're going to start these in. That one started. I'm not going to tighten it down until I have both of them started. Super important in case I need to move this around a little bit. Okay, they're both started in. Just going to go ahead and snug it up. There's one. this one. Both of those are tight. We can take our connector. If you want to put a little dielectric grease on there, you can. It's up to you. It's your prerogative. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to move along. Clip that in. Give it a nice little tug. Can't go anywhere. Perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and move along. We've got our wires. We marked them all. We want to make sure that they're running the right direction here. Somebody's got it wrapped around there. We don't need that. Okay. So here we are. The way that these cylinders are lined up, in case you didn't mark these, it goes cylinder 1, closest to the belt area. You get your timing belt under there, your serpentine belt, and all the pulleys and everything. Cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4. Just in case you didn't mark them, now you know. You're welcome. I'm going to take a little bit of dielectric grease. I'm just going to put it right in here. You don't need much, just a little bit. That's just going to make it so these can slide around. It's also going to help keep moisture out of there. There we are. Our last one. Okay. Everything's nice and lubricated. Let's get these back on. We've got the one farthest away, number 4. It's going to go on corresponding number 4. There we are. Number 3 comes up here. We'll bring it around up to number 3. It's pretty easy. 2 is going to go right here. There we are. Number 1, right there. Cool. So now that we have all these like that, you can set them up however you need to set them up. It's always nice if you don't have them in too much of a knot. I'm just going to use this little clip. It's got some little channels for the wires to run in. Just going to set them in there, and that's going to try to help keep everything secured. There we go. Easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.